Hi guys, welcome to Razon.com. This is Mohit Soni and this is going to be a very quick review of the Suzuki Access 125 and its BS6 Avatar. So let's quickly be done with the design. We all know it's a handsome scooter. It's being carried over in terms of design over the previous version which we saw over the years since 2015 and even before that. This new BS6 version in this sort of pepper gray color looks very impressive. It's got chrome mirrors just like a Vespa, so it adds to that premiumness. There's the other only chrome aspect that we can see is on the heat shield of the exhaust, and what we've also seen is a inclusion of rare fuel filler cap, which is now on the outside, which makes it much more accessible. And I think that's a public demand that most scooter makers have to now oblige to. In terms of other changes, well, the quality is very good, everything is top notch, fit finish is excellent. What we still see missing on the scooter is the finger brake, which helps you, in cars we call it handbrake, on scooters let's call it finger brake. And you don't find that. There's no dedicated pass switch or under storage light, along with a hazard switch, which also would have been quite helpful because the space is empty on the right side, so it would have been filled up quite well. But now that's about it. That's what the cosmetic sort of changes are all about. Let's now jump into the riding part, where we can tell you that the Access still continues to be a very comfortable scooter to live with. It's got excellent ride quality despite it has a 10-inch rear wheel and a 12-inch front wheel. It rides really well. Ride quality is excellent. Of course, it is on the softer side. If you reach the limit while cornering, you will realize that the suspension is on the softer side. It's not the sporty scooter that you can buy in the 125 segment. But ride quality is excellent. Tires grip really well. Braking is really good, and it's very easy to drive, just like any other scooter. Of course, the seat height is slightly high, and it's very upright. And the best part is that the suspension feels spot on. It inspires confidence all the time. Even if you are riding hard and fast, it stays solid, it stays planted. So that's where the Access impresses you while riding. And we've not even gotten to the best part. The best part is where you feel the engine. The engine in the BS6 Avatar is now absolutely electric in the way it delivers power and torque. Of course, it's still an internal combustion engine, because it has a 8.5 bhp motor and 10 newton meters of torque, while there is a hike of 1 bhp, 0.1 bhp, sorry, in the power rating. It's gone from 8.4 to 8.5, while the torque is being cut down from 10.02 nm to just 10 newton meters. When I say the power delivery is electric, it is truly electric, because the moment you roll on the gas, it just shoots ahead. It just shoots ahead till 90 kilometers an hour. It does not stop. There is no flat spots, there is no hesitation, there is no kick in the pants. It just goes ahead, and it does that so smoothly and so seamlessly that you're not going to realize the kind of speeds that you're doing easily. The moment you look down, you'll realize, oh, I'm doing way above speed limit, or way above a scooter speed limit that you should be on. So it is a very, very quick scooter thanks to the new fuel injection system and the refinement that is on offer. You don't realize what kind of speeds you're doing. I think that's a great aspect, but at the same time it can be disconcerting for some people. Higher ages could find that a little too intimidating for them, and I think for them still a 110cc scooter would do just fine. But for everybody else who's carrying a bit of load, a pillion, more luggage inside the under storage area, the more the torque, the better it is. And for those people, the Access 125 is a stellar product to have. Like I said, the changes we've discussed, the fuel filler cap is here, and you can have a lot of variants to choose from. You can have a normal base variant where you will get a normal speedometer, while on the top end variant you get a Bluetooth connectivity. And I think that is something new, something unique in the sort of commuter scooter segment. And we've already seen that in some of its rivals, but the Access, with its contemporary look and design, offering so much features with the Bluetooth speedometer, is something to look forward to. We'll let you know more about it when we actually get to test ride it again. And yeah, that is what the Suzuki Access 125 is all about. It's fantastic, but as always with the BS6, there has been a change that not everybody is liking, which is the price hike. It's gone up from 7 to 8,000, and the prices are now touching almost 90,000 rupees on road Mumbai for any given 125cc scooter. So it's not cheap, but it's still good value for money, considering you're going to get a reliable, powerful, extremely refined engine that you can have fun when you want. And let's say if you're a youngster and your family also can use that scooter for everyday purposes and they'll also be quite happy with it. So that's where the Suzuki Axis becomes an all-rounder with its design, with its performance, and with its very large underseat storage, making it a very practical scooter to have in the 125cc segment. I think that is it. That is our quick review of the BS6 Suzuki Axis 125. Make sure you like this video. Still have some questions, put them in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.